Team of girls. May I know your team name? CODE-15. Can you type it? Team. Wonderful model they have made. Have you made by yourself? Huh? Okay, good. So okay, all the best to the team CODE-15 to demonstrate their model. So carry on. Okay, I'm doing that.
Good morning to everyone present here, respected Sir Amit, and my dear friends. Today, we, the group member of Code 15, are here to show a model of a human eye and its working. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Amit. Thank you very much for giving us this wonderful opportunity to do this project because it will not only increase our knowledge, but it will also increase our public speaking skills. Secondly, I would like to thank my friends for coping up with me and for hard working and for their hard work. Hard work. So, without wasting any time, let us start this project. First, I would like to call Tarjanya to tell the structure and its definition.
So, as you all know, that our eye. So, as you know that our eye like works like a camera to us. So here I'm gonna explain you something about the parts of the eye and the functions of it. So first of all, I'm gonna name the parts of the eye. So this one is lens. This one is iris, pupil. This one is vitreous humor. This one is retina, optical nerves, and cornea is over here, but we didn't have the thing to put here, so we didn't do that. So now I'm gonna explain what the parts really do. So basically, the pupil is a hole in the middle of the iris. It helps to it helps to it helps light to enter to our eyes, and when the light increases, the pupil decreases, and when the pupil increases, the light decreases. So iris is a color-like structure. Iris has colors. So iris basically is iris and regulates the control and regulates the amount of light coming towards our eye. So after that, the cornea. The cornea is the transparent substance in our eye. Like it is in top of the lens and it is in top of the pupil and the iris. Like you all know that there is a transparent substance in front of that, so that it helps to view clearly, substance clearly around us. So after that, here comes the retina. The retina is behind the eye. The retina is behind the eye. It helps us to view the retina is behind the eye, which helps to form image. And after that, it comes the nerves, optic nerves. The optic nerves a is a sensory nerve. Here is connected is the optic nerves here is an electrical impulse which helps to connect our eye to the brain. Also, the vitreous humor is a jelly-like structure which is in the middle of the eye, which helps in the shape, which helps to our eye to, which helps to shape our eye. Okay, so this one is the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles is ciliary, ciliary muscles expand when the light is increases. So it
Let's first try to understand how the eye works and what is the role of the cornea in this process. The light rays enter the eye through the cornea. The clear front window of our eye. The cornea's refractive power bends the light in such a way that the light passes freely through the pupil, which is in the which is the opening in the center of the iris. The pupil then automatically gets smaller or bigger depending on its intensity of the light. The light passes through the pupil to the lens behind it. Um, the lens adjusts its shape to bend and focus the light for a second time to ensure that we have a clear vision on what we are looking at. The lens work together with the cornea and focus light correctly on the retina. Now I would like to hand over the mic to my friend Nachi to say the rest of its function.
So when light hits the retina, when light hits the retina, a light sorry a light a light sensitive layer of tissue of the tissue of sorry tissue of the eye tissue of the, sorry I will repeat, sorry. So when when light hits the retina, a light sensitive layer of tissue of the eye can see, then the special cell called photoreceptor at the and the turns into elec- electrical signal. This electrical signal this electrical signal this electrical signal travel from the retina to the travel from the retina through the optic nerves to the brain. Then the brain turns the signal to the image we see. So thank you. So I would like to hand over the mic over to my friend Elena.
Some of the defects of vision are myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Myopia is commonly known as nearsightedness, where the person can see the nearby objects but cannot see the distant objects. In this condition, the shape of the eye leads the light rays to bend in the wrong way, focusing in front of the retina rather than focusing image on the retina. Then on then hypermetropia is also commonly known as farsightedness, where the person can see far-by objects but cannot see the nearby objects. In this condition, the light rays coming from the close-by objects are focused behind the retina. And lastly, on presbyopia, as we know that we age, the power of accommodation factors to adjust the of focal length also decreases. People have different viewing near viewing people have difficulties viewing objects, nearby objects.
Thanks so much. Anything else to say?
Lastly, we would like to conclude this by saying sorry to everyone because it was not as we have all I mean you have all expected. Um, Yeah, that's all. We are sorry.
Thank you so much that you have participated. Yeah, tea participation means a lot. You're done. I can see your effort, whatever it be, but very nice. So I'd like to ask some question based on this topic. What do you say? So whom shall I ask first? From here. Can you? What is the? How we can measure the power of a lens of human eye? Yeah, means what is the assigned power? You just say. Assigned power. Idea? Can you say me the assigned power of lens?
I don't remember.
I was. Can you? Diopter. Diopter is the assigned power. So, for example, if a person is suffering from myopia, which type of lens you will suggest?
Myopia. Concave. Yeah. Because it's so as diverging lines.
Concave is a diverging lens. So, what is the another name of myopic eye?
I don't know.
So, what happens actually in myopia? What happens in myopia in this defect?
Myopia. Like in myopia, person can't see the distance object. Yeah.
What happens? Light. Suppose light is coming from far, right? Why he can't see? Means what is the problem? Means why actually in myopic I cannot see the nearby object or see the far object?
Because the light.
Forms beyond the retina or in front of retina.
No, because the light doesn't touch to the retina.
So where from it? Behind or in front? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Next team.